Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. I'm very sorry I've not been able to upload videos in the last few weeks. That's because I've been busy with other projects, but I am back and you're going to be getting your regular tutorials that's going to help you to make money online. Yes, I did a few tutorials on Jumia affiliate marketing. Yes, Jumia affiliate marketing program. Now, for those of you that are new and you don't know what is affiliate marketing simply means you recommending a product for a company, and when you make sale, they pay you a commission. That is the easiest and the most effective way of making money on the internet. All right, so in case you're new to my channel, please hit the like button and the subscribers button. Just help me hit that subscribe button. This is my channel Income Spinner, where I teach money making principles, secret tricks, and all that. So welcome to my channel. So if you are a returning subscriber, please like this video, drop a comment in the comment section so that many people can have access to this video. The more comment, the more likes, the more YouTube algorithm will show this video to so many people. Thank you so much and welcome. All right, so today I'll be showing you a quick opportunity that is ongoing with the Jumia affiliate program. All right, for those of you that don't know about this, I have done a couple of tutorials. Come to my channel Income Spinner and search. You see there are about 3 videos I've made on this particular topic. Watch all 3 videos. Is going to put you on the right path to start. Okay, now for you to get started, all you need, you come to Jumia official website, scroll down to the bottom and click on the last one, join the Jumia KOL program. Just click on that and then you follow the process. Then to make that easy for you, just watch these 3 videos and it's going to really help you. Please subscribe. Okay, so now the Black Friday is ongoing. I know a lot of us have heard about Black Friday. Black Friday is a term used in the e-commerce industry to it is a kind of clearance sales where companies give very massive discount on their product. Okay, all right, so Jumia is running their Black Friday. Started early the first Friday in this month, so they still have about 2 or 3 Fridays to go. So it's the right time for you to jump in. How do you jump in? First, watch these 3 videos. Immediately you watch this one, go watch these 3 videos and get your link. Okay, so what do? You just go to, once you come here, you click on this and this join the Jumia KLO program. Once you click on that, it's going to open up a form for you to fill. It's very simple. Fill in your basic detail, your account detail, where you'll be paid. Now once you click on that, it will, once you finish signing up, you'll be directed to this affiliate dashboard. This is where everything happens. So you see here, Jumia is having so many offers for you in Nigeria. Meanwhile, if you're in Ghana, if you're in Kenya, any other part in Africa, you can partake of this. Okay, it's for everybody. Right, so you can pick this Jumia Black Friday, different categories, Jumia Black Friday banners. So you come here, you pick this, and then you start promoting. Once you click on any of these, the link will be generated. You pick the link and start promoting. Now if you click on this is my report. I want to show you what I have done taking advantage of this Black Friday. So I started running campaign 2 weeks ago. So far I've gotten over 100 conversion, right? So these are all my conversion. These are all people who have clicked on my link to place order on Jumia. Now the pending showing that the shipping, once these people get this product, I get paid. So all of them, these are the amounts that I stand to earn per transaction. So you see, so it's massive, and I have converted. I have over 100 people who have clicked my link and place order on Jumia. This is massive. This can make you a very happy Christmas this 2021. And don't forget, Christmas is around the corner. New Year is around the corner. This is the period people shop like crazy. So if you start promoting your Jumia affiliate links right now, you are going to make money. There's going to be conversion. Now, how did I achieve all this conversion within 2 weeks? I ran a Facebook advertisement. That's what I did. Some of you may have seen my advertisement. This is my Facebook ad platform. Okay, so let me preview one of my ads that is running. You see here, this is what I'm running on Facebook. All these banners, this design, Jumia gives to you. Once you sign up, you have access to these graphics. You use it to run your campaign. Now this another one I'm running. Is another one. There are many of them of different categories. Okay, so guys, don't dull, just get started. All right, watch these 3 videos. Go and watch it right now and create your link. Now when you come to this place, this is your dashboard. You come here. All you need to do is to create your link. Please, like I said, watch this video and learn how to do all of that. Once you create your link, you can go run your ad. You can promote your links on WhatsApp, promote your links on your Facebook groups, promote your links everywhere, and let people begin to click and make purchase using your link. And the more people click and buy from Jumia using your link, the more money you make. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit this notification bell, because I'm going to bring more updates on the Jumia affiliate program. This is your opportunity to put a smile on your own face if you take this action now. You can see I am spending money to run my ad because I want to make money. So if you're ready, if you have some money to spend, then go ahead and run Facebook ad, whatever kind of ad, YouTube ad, Google ad. Run those ads now, because they are converting. You're going to make money. You won't regret this. So I welcome you once again to the Jumia affiliate program. These are my conversions. This is crazy. Over 100 conversion in less than 2 weeks, or 2 weeks. All right, because I've run this for about 2 weeks now, but my ads are paused right now. I'm waiting. Tomorrow I'll start again, targeting Friday. Next week, hit December, I continue. Jumia always create different offers. So if you're running this affiliate program, you will never lack offers to promote. So guys, get started. Hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, and drop a comment. If you want me to do more videos on this, drop a comment. Tell me whatever you want me to create tutorial on, and I'll do that for you. Now once you get your link, you go to a website called Bitly and shorten the link, promote it. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to watch these 3 videos. They are going to take you step by step on how to create your link, how to select your product, whatever you want. All right, so guys, go and watch it. Thank you very much. Bye.